Hey everybody, I got another video here I want to do. I went out and I got me a Gerber multi-tool. I broke my other one and I ended up getting a cheap one. But I use these so much I went out and bought me a better brand here. So here we go. It's a Gerber suspension. This is like a $30 tool. Has a lifetime warranty on them. Overall, it says it's 6.5 inches long. The closed length of it is 4 inches. The weight's 9.6 ounces. It's supposed to be made out of surgical stainless steel with a titanium nitride coating. And it's got a locking outboard components, a ballistitic nylon sheath, a spring-loaded needle nose pliers, which is really handy on them. I like it. And it has a V-cut for wire cutters, a serrated blunt nose knife, a fine edge knife, a triple ground saw, scissors, a medium small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a lanyard ring, and a bottle and can opener. What I like most on them is where they're a lifetime warranty, and Gerber stands behind their products pretty good. But the sheath comes, it says Gerber on it. Has a 2 belt loops on it so you can carry it on your side like this, or it has the other belt loop so you can carry it with it that way, so you can carry it vertical or horizontal. So try to do this with one-handed. Usually I got someone else recording for me, but as you can see, it has the little locks you got to pull back when the blade's open. That's the big feature too I like on them, because my other one didn't do that and the blade was always folding over. But they fold open. And as you can see, it's spring loaded. Sorry about this video, trying to do it myself here is really hard, but most of you guys know how that is. Has a little part on there to open up the blades that you use most often, which is the knives. And I don't know how good you can see that, but there's a serrated blade. And here's the blade with a can and bottle opener. Has the little fine tip screwdriver. Try to get where I can see it better here. And it has a pair of scissors on it. Which they come out and you fold that part over like this, and you got your scissors, which is spring loaded, and they're very sharp too. I've used these quite a bit since I've got it. And on the other side we got the regular knife blade, which these are razor sharp, people. And the reason I know that, I've cut myself with it already, so. And it has a flat-headed screwdriver here. And it's got a little Phillips screwdriver. Works pretty good. At first I didn't think it would because the one sides are kind of flat made. But overall it's a pretty good screwdriver. Let's see. Now to get this last one open so I can show it to you. And they got a blade on there for cutting wood or whatever, or through little limbs. It works pretty good. As you can see, just that little bit, I cut a pretty good groove into the wood with it. But overall, these are a pretty good tool for 30 bucks. I do plan on getting my other Gerbers fixed that I had and I broke, where I'm so rough on them. But I'm thinking this is going to be my favorite out of them, so I'd highly recommend them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.